We have 5.4 example 2, completing the square. We use completing the square. When an expression cannot currently be factored, we can complete the square so that we can factor it. So you're going to use this formula, b over 2 in parentheses squared. Remember that this is b, and this only works when these numbers up front are 1. So all of these it's going to work on. So this is b, so we're going to take our negative 2 divided by 2, because it's always divided by 2, and then we square it. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. So I'm going to put a 1 in the blank. After I do this, then I can factor it. So I need to actually factor that, and it should be a perfect square again. So x square root of that, keep this sign, square root of this. B is the same way. Use that formula. B is 5 over 2 squared. This I cannot simplify, so I'm going to just square both. 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. So this is 25 over 4. So if I factor this, that is still x. Keep this sign. And what's nice about this is when I take the square root of this, it's really just this number right here. So I'm going to write 5 over 2 squared. We're going to do C and D. So we're going to take our B, 4 over 2 squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Put a 4 here. To factor that, square root of x squared is x. Keep the first sign. Square root of 4 is 2. And square it. Let's do D. We have x squared plus 3x plus blank. Fill in the blank. We're going to use our B again. 3 over 2 squared. It's another fraction I can't reduce. So 3 squared is 9. 2 squared is 4. So plug it in my blank. To factor this, square root of x squared is x. Keep this sign, square root of 9 over 4. Remember, it's back to here. So 3 over 2. And square it. We've got this another problem right here. So x squared minus 4x plus 4. So remember that we've got negative 4 over 2. And then square it. That's negative 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Put a positive 4 here. Factor this. This one. That sign. Square root of 4 is 2. So see how these two are very, very similar? Just the signs change, so that makes our answer change. Try these two on your own.